Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can sign into the carrier account or phone app. This is required to reset the code. Once signed in, navigate to the voicemail or security section and choose password or PIN management. Make sure your device is online and you can receive texts. Carriers often send a verification code. If you're using the native phone app, open voicemail settings now and tap Reset or Change Password to begin the process. You'll verify identity next. Enter the SMS or email code your carrier sent. Once confirmed, choose Reset PIN or create new password and follow the required format. Some carriers need 4-6 digits. Type the new code, then re-enter it to confirm. This prevents typos that lock you out. Make sure to use a memorable but not obvious code. After confirmation, save changes and exit. Your voicemail will now require the new password next time you access it. Finish by testing access. Call your voicemail and enter the new PIN to confirm it works. If you still can't access voicemail, make sure you type the PIN correctly and that your account shows the change. If not, use the carrier's account recovery or support line to force a reset. One tip: enable or update alternative contact methods like a backup email or secondary phone so future verifications succeed quickly. And make a note of the reset procedure for next time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.